Have you ever seen the sunset? I got inspired by that, and here's the look. Hey guys, this is Chandni. Let's dig into the video. First, I used a primer from Lakme Absolute and applied loose powder lightly. Then I highlighted my brow bone with this shade called Shimmering. I'm using Makeup Revolution London Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette. Then I took this yellow shade. I am just placing the color and spreading it into my crease area. Then I took this peachish orange shade and followed the same method of placing and spreading and also mixing the both. I am using a smaller blending brush. Then I took this pink shade and the method will be same. See, everything goes same, placing and mixing. For the end part, I took this blue shade with a bigger fluffy brush and started to blend. Trust the process guys, it will look amazing. I got really into this look and applied this violet color half the way. For lining my upper lash line, I'm using Faces Canada Ultime Pro kajal and also to tightline. To deepen that, I am using a black eyeshadow from a different palette. Though I hate using multiple palettes for a single look, I didn't have any options. Name of the palette is in the description. For my lower lash line, I used the same yellow, orange and pink color with a pencil brush. And for lining the inner corners, the same white shimmering shade. After curling my lashes, I have used Myglamm Twisted Mascara. To hide the shiny glue from the false lashes, I'm using a matte black eyeshadow. Here, a matte liner can also be used. And here's the finished look. Hope you liked it. If you do not forget to press the subscribe button for more makeup looks.